Okay, guys, we're back with the 2007 Nissan Altima with the 2.5 liter four-cylinder. We're just going to be changing out the spark plugs on it. First things first, pop the hood. If you don't know how to do that, take it somewhere. Second thing is you have to remove the beauty cover. It makes the engine beautiful. It's held down with three 5mm Allen keys. I don't know why they used Allen keys. Maybe because it makes it more beautiful. Because it is a beauty cover. There's one. This car has 161,000 miles on it. We're getting a P300 random misfire and a bank 1-2 lean, but that's something different. And I believe it has the original spark plugs in it. So we're just going to remedy that by changing everything. All right, beauty cover is off. Now we got our 4 coils on packs right here. It looks like those are something. They are haha, I was right. They are a 10. And of course, like always, the car is nice and warm because you just drove it over here. Got these 4 10mm jobbers here. All the snow sloughing off the hood. Okay, now we just probably pull that up, pinch to unplug. Let's pull the coil pack. We're just going to do these one at a time. They take a 9/16 socket or a 9/16 spark plug wrench. If you have one, I don't, so I have a magnet to pull them out of the hole. And I'll be honest, that felt way too loose. They don't look too bad. Well, that's, ooh, where are you? There you go. That's what came out of there. So let's replace those. What I'm going to do, since I don't have a spark plug socket, I just got a normal one because my spark plug one didn't fit. So, just got a nice deep well. I'm going to take some electrical tape and just kind of, whoop, that didn't work out the way I anticipated. There we go. Stick it in the hole. There we go. Focus, like that. That way the spark plug can sit in there and I can drop it down and thread it in without mucking up the end of it. There we go. You notice I'm not grabbing the end of the socket. I'm just kind of twisting it with my hand. That way I know I'm not going to over torque the thing. That guy is done. pack. It's going to go back on. There we go. Clip. Going to stick it down. Come back in just a second and tighten all the 10 millimeters. So that way, I know that one's done. So off to the second. Clip. Pull. Out. That one's a little tighter. There we go. Got the second one out. Kept my socket. There, got it back. Oil pack. Back in. Don't forget to plug it in. 10mm. Number 3. There we go. Number 3. Almost done.
Dad.
What?
Me and Benny broke the wishbone and I got the wish.
Awesome.
Nice.
Always happens.
Yep.
Okay, got that one snug down.
Where did me and Ben put the bone pieces?
Make an extra
Just on the
out of it.
counter. Okay? Jeez.
Or in the garbage.
Back
And some
in.
earrings.
Plug it in. Down it goes. Grab the right screw. Off to the last. Final one. Pull that out. Get this guy screwed in here good. last coil pack. Clip. Push. Don't forget to come back and tighten down all your 10s. Again, it's going into a plastic valve cover, guys, so don't kill these things. Just all they do is keep the coil from backing out. All right, last step, replace the beauty cover, and you are good to go. If you guys like this video, give us that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you next time. That was easy.
Nice.
Where are we at? 14.8.